Dutch knife guy here. My name is Henk. Today I want to show you some classic models of folding knives. These four knives look very similar, and they are similar in many ways, but they are also very different because all four of them have a different implementation of the locking mechanism, or do not have a locking mechanism. Three of them have a locking mechanism, one of them has not. First of all, well, they are all very long, slim knives. I will compare them with a large Sebenza. Nice, slim design knives. I think this kind of folding knives are very convenient to put in your pocket when you go to a restaurant to eat your steak. This is the large Sebenza, as you can see. They are all about the same length, or something longer, somewhat longer than the large Sebenza. Okay. I want to show them because of the locking mechanisms. These are made with a strap lock. As you can see, when I push on the back, you see the strap lock coming up and the knife can be closed. It has a two-way opening. You see the little hole here catches the corner of the blade tang, and when pushed further there is a little pin and it will be catched by the strap. So this is called a strap lock, but it's a kind of combination between strap lock and back lock. This one, also a strap lock, in fact the same as the previous one. Pushing on the back, the strap will be opened. Also this one is a two-point opening and it can be closed. Opening, it will catch the corner. Pushing further and the little point will be catched. Then this one, also a strap lock, but not in combination with a button on the back. This strap is in the bolster. This is a movable bolster and it pushes the strap upwards and then it can be closed. Okay. And then this one, it looks like it has a strap, but this is a slip joint. This is a kind of spring which pushes down but it is not locked, so opening and closing is just a matter of breaking the spring tension. All these knives have a pin construction. They're all very cheap knives with brass, wooden scales. Fit and finish is very poor on these knives. For example, centering is not good. They are very all kinds of gaps between the materials, so not really a good fit and finish. And yet I like these knives. These were mostly produced in Italy. As you can see at the blade shape, it's a kind of lagioli-ish and stiletto-ish style blade. When people see these knives at my home, they always think it are stilettos. But they aren't, obvious. I like this type of knives because of the long, slim design. I wanted to show this to you today. Okay, bye bye.